Today we're going behind the scenes of a kettle corn stand called Miss Hannah's Gourmet Popcorn. It's located in Tigard, Oregon, which is just outside of Portland, Oregon. Miss Hannah's Gourmet Popcorn has so many interesting flavors that they make from scratch every day right in the Bridgeport Village shopping center. You can smell the popcorn in the air for what feels like a mile outside of the little shop. I'm always really interested to learn how to make kettle corn at a farmer's market. That's probably one of the places I see kettle corn the most. And it looks pretty easy, but with all of the equipment involved, I knew there had to be a lot more to it. I was really impressed that the kettle corn chef here at Miss Hannah's Gourmet Popcorn makes this kettle corn all day. Here's how they make it. Once a big, huge batch of kettle corn is made, it's poured into a really large bucket and then brought inside Miss Hannah's Gourmet Popcorn to be seasoned and prepared into bags so they're ready for customers who come into the shop all day long. At this gourmet popcorn shop, you'll find all of the traditional caramel corn, cheddar corn, and salt and sugar type of kettle corn that you'd expect to find, but they have so many interesting varieties. There's pickle popcorn, tutti frutti, which has all different flavors of fruit, and there's lemon popcorn. That doesn't even explain it all. Thanks for joining me in this behind the scenes of Miss Hannah's Gourmet Kettle Corn. I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!